imagination, creating unique items that will become an original decoration of the kitchen. At the same time, oven mitts and cup holders by the patchwork method are also practical, as they protect surfaces from hot objects and condensation. It's a great way to add style and personality to everyday life. Napkins in the patchwork technique can become a stylish and practical addition, adding bright and saturated colors to the kitchen interior. I like what I've done today. If you like my channel, then subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let's start working. We cut strips of arbitrary width. I have each here 5 to choose a beautiful color. The main criterion is a beautiful combination. You can take a maximum of 6 different color pieces of fabrics. If more, it will be difficult to arrange it harmoniously in color. I advise you to do this as a professional artist. I took for different fabrics and just repeated their rhythm. One of them is bright with active pattern, and it still has 3 additional colors: black, lilac, turquoise. The blue and yellow stripes are plain. There are a total of 6 different colors that match well with each other, and the finishing oblique label is the 7th color, but similar in color with a yellow stripe. How do you like the color? We choose the fabric base on which we will sew strips of fabric. When the stripes are sewn, it is necessary to iron the canvas and trim off all the excess at the edges. Now let's prepare the pattern. I cut out a piece of paper, and I want to make the strips go diagonally from the middle. So you need to make a seam in the middle. I cut out the details of the leaf from the prepared canvas. Sew it in the middle and iron it. edges so the